tuning in. You're watching Talks with Tiffany, and welcome to episode 2 of Beauty on a Budget. So last time I did a Beauty on a Budget, I went to jbandeves.com and found a really nice variety of things, and then I went searching again and I found this website called Shop Miss A. Kind of the same idea, really cheap things, mostly makeup, some accessories, stuff like that. Usually $1. I got my package, so we are going to open it up and see what we have for today's video. So this is the package. Hashtag just have fun. It looks really exciting, so let's open it and see what we have. Ta-da! Just like the other one, it's packed really, really nice. Oh, Miss A. Oh, I bought so many things. I don't remember buying this. Free gifts are always nice. I wonder. It's a multi-scarf. It says you can wear it so many different kinds of ways. I don't think I'd wear it that way. Anyway, so we're going to put this to use. We're going to do that because that gets my hair out of my face and I look stupid, but I don't really care. They had a lot of the same brands that were on the other website, but I tried to get some that weren't the same brand. A lot of the stuff that I got from the other website was Amuse. Most of this stuff looks like there's some Amuse, but then there's also other ones like AOA. This one is by Lotus. It's a contouring palette, so there's a lot of things. We're gonna get through most of them, hopefully. So, I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but the very first thing that I got was the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer, and it looks really nice. The only thing that I'm seeing in this is that I can see glitter in it, and I don't really want glitter all over my face. I need to get like one of those standing mirrors instead of like this little mirror right here, which is like a suction cup mirror. First thing I'm noticing, it's kind of watery. Let's see if I like it. Oh, it's so glittery. Oh. Alright, well. Definitely see the glitter all over my face. The next product that I have is called LA Colors Liquid Makeup Foundation, and it is in the color Natural. My beauty blender is actually so dirty right now that I cannot use it, so what I'm going to use is this thing I got from AliExpress.com because I was going to use it in its own video, but I don't think that's going to happen. It's a 3D dynamic beauty puff, and it looks like this. That's nice, right? I thought so too until I tried it. So this product has an on button right here. And you can hear it. It vibrates, and supposedly vibration is supposed to apply your foundation flawlessly. So I'm going to put this on my hand and see if it's going to be too dark. Really hope it's not. Well, oh, take the cap off. It's not covering anything up. It literally didn't do anything, but that's okay because, you know, with a website that is super cheap, you are going to get some things that you don't like. I found out today that I do not like this one at all because it didn't do anything. I look the same as I looked before. So, next. I did buy concealer, so I'm going to use some concealer. The AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer in shade Classic Ivory. Next I want to look at this. This is called the Lotus 6 Color Contour Palette. So I'm going to go with this one right here. Wow, that's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. The Malibu Glitz Professional Pressed Powder Blusher in the color Peach. I got the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Highlighter, and it is in the shade Eris. Actually a really nice highlighter. I want to go ahead and use my Amuse Cosmetics eyeshadow primer in the shade Blank Canvas, which I think is just like a nude color. So for eyes, I got the Muse Cosmetics Luster Metals eyeshadow palette. A lot of really nice colors. They are glittery colors. I'm gonna go with the first shade on the top. I'm going to use probably this row. Go in with this color right here. This really coppery color. For eyeliner, I got the Amuse Cosmetics Matte Liquid Eyeliner in black. Curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to use the AOA Studio Fat Lash Primer Mascara. I'm going to use the Amuse Cosmetics Pro Big Mega Lash Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to be using the Amuse Matte Liquid Lipstick, shade Just Color 2. I am not doing a setting spray because I apparently forgot to buy one. So everything I found was pretty good. Again, another win. There were a couple of things I didn't like. The first thing was definitely not going to use the primer again. It's really glittery and gross, and it's watery, and it doesn't do anything, and it's just kind of a waste. The other thing that I did not like was the foundation. The foundation did nothing. It just kind of blended in and then soaked in, and then it disappeared, and it just didn't work for me. That doesn't mean that you can't give it a try yourself if you want to go ahead and go to this website and try everything out. I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please leave it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again next time. Bye!